The die R2 has a toolless disassembly design. To begin disassembly of the R2, look at the tab on the back of the loader and push it to the right. Release the top section of the shell by pulling the top section off of the bottom section. Push the two small red locking tabs towards the back of the loader. And push the large back locking tab up to unlock the rotor tray. Simultaneously push the two back tabs. As they are depressed, pull the rotor tray up slowly. Remove the rotor loading components one at a time. Then rotate the red tabs away from the battery and gearbox. You now have access to all the internal parts for cleaning. Reassembly is just as easy as disassembly. Make sure the shark fin anti-jam slide is in the forward position before placing the battery and gearbox in the bottom shell, and rotate the red tabs back to lock everything in place. Then replace the loading components in the proper order shown here. Snap the loader tray back in place by inserting it nose first. Make sure to move the front locking tabs forward and the back locking tab down to lock the tray. Slide the top half of the shell in nose first, then line up the sides and move the locking slide to the right and push down.